Today, I'll guide you through how to install WordPress on Localhost. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install LocalWP. Visit localwp.com and download the appropriate version for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions to set up LocalWP on your computer. Step 2. Create a new WordPress site. Open Locale and click on the Create a New Site button to initiate the installation process. Enter a name for your site and customize the local site domain and file path if desired. Choose the web server stack if you want, or keep it preferred and click Continue. Step 3. Configure WordPress settings. Set the WordPress username, password, and admin email. Decide if it's a single site or multi-site installation. Click Add Site to provision the new WordPress website. LocalWP will download WordPress and install it on your system. Step 4. Access your local WordPress site. Click the Open Site button in Local to open the site in your default browser. Log in to the WordPress admin area using the credentials you set earlier. That's it, you have successfully installed WordPress on your local machine. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.